Subject of today's video is this Electrolux Frigidaire from 2014. It's just a basic 5000 BTU window air conditioner. It doesn't have side panels currently, but I can find new ones online, and that's the plan, is to get new ones because I bought this thing cheap enough. The lady I bought this from still has has two more that she's also going to sell me cheap. And without further ado, here's the fan. Low fan. High cool. There's high fan. And now let's kick the compressor on. This is a very slanted Quingan. I think this thing took a knock. I think this is the one that is dropped. As you can hear, very quiet. And it does take a minute to get cold, but also it is quite warm. Hey, there's my truck. It's been sitting because it needs parts, and I don't have the money. And yeah, I got this from the same lady I got the one with the electronic controls from. Now something got caught. Oh, that's a cicada. Hey, yeah. The first cicada of the year got caught by I don't know what I named that spider, but it's one of my garage spiders. I keep them around. They do pest control, obviously. And this thing is fairly warm. I also have this higher 5050 BTU. This was mine, then I sold it to my grandma really at my cost because she needed one because the one that she used to use in her bedroom went out and she wanted to own one, so that's where that one came from. The Frigidaire, which was replaced by the Medea inverter, that's an ancient, well, not quite ancient, Montgomery Ward's by Frigidaire. That one is going to be next because I have a video on it, but it's pretty crappy. Sharp 6500 BTU. The fan motor's kind of bad on it. 5600 BTU Kenmore. I've got a video on that, I believe. I might have to remake it, but it's a WCI like the Frigidaire. Whirlpool 5000 BTU. It needs a capacitor. Kenmore 5000 BTU needs a capacitor. Kenmore 7500 BTU. That one just needs it just needs put back together. As you can hear, the refrigerant's flowing pretty good, and the compressor's not super good. So this one's going to be for sale. I'm keeping one of the ones, which will either be the one with the digital controls or a different one, which is even older, and then it's the worst of the bunch. I might keep that one, depending on what it is. It's older, but yeah, it's... Anyways, I'll kick the compressor off. It's not long enough. So yeah, that's it for this video. See you guys in the next one.